In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a backup of your Gmail account, whether you're switching to a new service, just want to have a personal archive, or are preparing for a big move. Knowing how to back up your Gmail is invaluable. Let's walk through this process so that you can do it confidently and without hassle. To get started, you'll need to go to takeout.google.com. Once there, log in with your Gmail account. This is the platform where Google allows you to export data from its various services. As soon as you log in, you'll notice that by default, all the Google services are marked for backup. But today our focus is solely on Gmail, so we need to tweak these settings a bit to suit our needs. First things first, look for the option that says deselect all at the top and click on it. This will clear all the selected services. We want to ensure that only Gmail data is included in our backup, not everything else. Now scroll down through the list of services until you come across Mail. You'll need to check the box next to it. By doing so, you're instructing Google Takeout to include only your emails in the backup process. It's a small but crucial step. Once you've selected your mail, go ahead and click Next Step at the bottom of the page. This will lead you to a new section where you can choose your backup preferences. Here's where things get interesting, as you can tailor this backup to suit your needs. First, you'll want to choose the delivery method for your backup. Google provides several options, like receiving the backup via email link, uploading it to Google Drive, or even using services like Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. Pick whichever method is most convenient for you based on where you'd like to store your email archive. Then consider the frequency. You can choose to export your data just once or on an ongoing basis, such as every 2 months for a year. If you regularly receive important emails, the recurring backup can be a lifesaver. Next, you'll see options for file type. You can choose either a zip or TGZ file format. Zip files are more common and easy to open on most systems, making them a popular choice. Lastly, choose a maximum size for your backup file. Options here range from 2GB to larger sizes like 10GB. Pick a size that is suitable based on the volume of emails you typically receive. Once you've made these selections, click Create Export, and that's it. Google will now prepare your backup. You'll receive an email notification when it's ready for download, and there you have it, a complete backup of your Gmail, safe and sound. Keep this walkthrough handy, as you never know when you might need it again, and thanks for watching.